Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be opening some Happy Mail. I received my part of the swap from Stephanie. She is Sweet Crafty Girl on here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'll have her link down below. We agreed on doing a Maggie Holmes heritage swap. I am nowhere near done with mine, but you guys, she finished, so she sent hers out first. And look, I did take a sneak peek. I haven't opened up the gifts, but you guys, look. She decorated the box. It says, "Hey friend." This side has the bows. This side has the bows. And then this side says, "Life is lovely." And look how cute. And this is what she sent. This is what it looks like so far, because of course I dug through it. But look how cute. You guys, I saw her haul this cute little doll. I love her, and she does go absolutely perfect with heritage. She's so cute. I'm gonna set her right here on top of my typewriter because she's adorable. So I'm gonna put her here for now. I'm gonna take everything out of the box so that it'll be easier for us to go through together. So much crinkle, you guys. Look at this. I will be saving that. I love the way Stephanie decorates her mail. I always get excited to swap with her. We've been swapping for quite some time. But the good thing with her is that, you know, she's very patient, and we schedule our swaps like a long time in advance, so that we can have time. Look at all these pretties. Got more here. I'm definitely gonna have to take a picture because I didn't take a picture. And I saw sneak peeks of all her embellies. If you guys are not following her, you definitely should. Super crafty, super very girly, feminine taste, which if you're like me, you will absolutely love. Ooh, so many gifts. Look at this. Okay, look, you guys, see that? I am saving that. I always save all the crinkle that she sends my way. Okay, so let me organize this and take a quick pic, and I'll be right back. And we're back, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So first I'm going to show you guys these super cute little embellishments that she made. And they are like layered rosettes. So she did her little rosette and then a bunch of like chipboard and ephemera pieces. Look at her packaging, you guys. And she did the acetate paper that came with the collection, which I didn't pick up. And look how cute. I love this. And then there's some more rosettes here. Look at that. Super pretty. I love these. I already showed you guys my cute little bunny. Look how cute she is. Does she not go very well with the, look at that, with the collection? She's the exact same colors. Leave it for Stephanie to find the perfect doll for Maggie Holmes heritage. Then I'm gonna open up this one. I don't want to rip anything, so let me just take this confetti out because I do save all my little packagings. Let me grab my scissors, and I'm gonna cut right here in the end, and hopefully I don't break anything. Oops, maybe I should go a little bit more in. Yep. Look, you guys, how she decorated it. She did the organza, which I truly need to get myself some of this. I love this. I see tons of you guys using it, and I think they sell it in Hobby Lobby, so I need some in my life. Ooh, look, you guys. And I totally don't have any of these. I have one of these left, and look. Girl, how did you know? I don't have any of these at all. Ooh, thank you. New Maggie Holmes. Which I will not be touching because I don't have backups to these, you guys. If I don't have a backup, it's not going to get used. I know, I'm horrible. Then we have this one. And look, you guys, I love her little clusters, which I will be saving. Let me just move this out of the way. We got confetti here. Little tissue paper. Look how pretty. I love this organza. I need it. I need to get me some organza. I don't mind ordering on the Hobby Lobby website, but that shipping, you guys, is horrible. Like, if I just want the organza, I probably have to pay like $12 for it just because of the shipping. Ooh, she sent me Flourish ephemera. I love me some Flourish. Who doesn't love Flourish? Flourish, Willow Lane are like one of my favorites. She sent me some stickers. Oh yeah. Look at this. Thank you, girly. She hooked it up. And then we're gonna open this one. We'll open it from the top. And then I'll show you guys. I forgot to show you guys how she decorated it. Look, you guys. I don't have any of these. These stickers, I don't have. How cute. Ooh, she sent me the standouts. I only have like 2 of these. Look, you guys. Thank you, Stephanie. There's something else in here. What do we have? Ooh, the little puffy hearts. I love these. These are so cute. Thank you so much for all my Maggie Holmes goodies. Those are much appreciated. You guys already know that. I am a Maggie Holmes lover. I'm gonna put these like this because I need to take another picture. Move my confetti over here. And this one up here. I love the colors of the confetti. So pretty. Oh, and look at this cute little flower one. Is that not cute? You see that, guys? Cute. So then there's this one. And I'm going to cut it from up here. Ooh, more stickies. Let's take everything out. I love these. These are, you can definitely reuse them, you guys. Oh my gosh, look how cute, you guys. They're cute little stickers, but they're like pins. I don't have these. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, I wanted another pack of these. I absolutely love these. Girl, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I wanted these so bad. I got Debbie Love has sent me, she sent me a few. I think she sent me like half a pack. And look, now I have a full pack. Yay! Thank you for my stickies. I love them. And then we're moving on to this one. Look at this wrapping paper, you guys. More stickers. She sent me goodie bags from Daiso. I always see her hauling these and I'm like, oh my god, I'm so jelly. And she sent me some. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm so excited. God, you guys are awesome. Look, she sent me more charms. Well, those are not charms, those are pins, but I got some charms. Look with the cute little eye, Boss Babe, the unicorn ones. She sent me these cute little pink paisley tags. Look at that flower, you guys. And look, the little gift bags. Oh my gosh. Ah, I can't believe I have these. These are so cute. I love these. Look at these little gift bags. Oh, girl. You just made my day. These are so cute. I gotta look at this. I always see her haul these. Look at that. Is that not the cutest way to send like some goodies? OMG. Girl, thank you. I love it. And then we have this one. What's in here? Ooh, it's like a little box. I see that it's super pretty. You guys gotta check out Stephanie's hauls. She always has the cutest hauls. And if she does not leave you wanting to shop, I don't know what is your ish. Because your issue. I don't mean like in a bad way. Like your issue. Because her hauls are awesome. Look at this, you guys. How cute is this box? Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Let's see, let's see. Some more goodies. Look at this crinkle paper. It's so different. That's cute. You guys, I see more goodie bags. I peep the goodie bags. So she gave me 3 little trims. How cute are those? So like a mint green one, a pink one, and a swan one. She gave me some Dear Lizzie clips. And you guys, I see the milk cartons. Oh my gosh, look how cute. These bags are adorable. I can't even deal. Girl, thank you so much. And look, she sent me another pack of these, which are so cute. So now I can share some. Oh my gosh, I love everything. I love this little box. Oh, thank you so much, Stephanie, for all my goodies. You are the bomb, girl. But let me show you guys the project that she sent my way, as if she didn't send enough. This is what she wanted to swap. She wanted to swap an embellishment book. And look, you guys, how chunky this bad boy is. Is that not cute? So, let me show you guys the details. It has a little shaker back here. See that inside of a frame. We have tons of clusters. I love how she did that gold like foiling. I just recently hauled some sheets. It's a good idea. I like that. I'm kind of glad that she sent first, because now I can kind of like even it out, you know? I don't like when I send something and then it's like they send me overload and then I'm like, oh God, I feel like I owe you so much. So now I know exactly what she sent and I can spoil her the same way back. So in here, this little pocket, we have a little rosette embellishment. We have a little, kind of like a page flag embellishment. I don't want to take anything out because I need to take pictures. And then in here, it's like a little gift bag. And let's see what's in this one. What a cute bag. Ooh, look, it's like a little chip bag. I saw her post this. This is so cute. And she put some of the ephemera pieces in the inside. I love this. I'm going to take so many pictures because this needs to be all over my Insta. I love it. So pretty. The colors. Oops, I'm going to put it just the way she had it. Okay. So we're going to put you right back here. And we're going to put you right in there. And then she's got like this vellum page that she did the whole gold foiling onto it. Can you see that? And then you guys, look how pretty. She did like a shaker page. Do you guys see that? Look how big this shaker page is. And look at that mix. Is that not beautiful? I saw her make show the mix on her Instagram, and that's how we got our conversation started, because I was like willing to buy this mix from her. So she was like, let's just swap. Look how cute. I love this page. I love the acetate page from the collection. And look at these embellishments that she made. Are they not the cutest? Love it. And then look, you guys, I've never seen those gold hearts that big. So pretty. And then she gave me more of that mix. Look at that. I feel like she sent me the whole set, like the whole mix that she made. That's beautiful. And then over here, it's like a little baggie. with a little clip. There's a little shaker with that organza. So cute. And then in here, let's see. Ooh, look how cute, you guys. These are like those little pillow boxes. I've never seen these before. And they have these cute little swans. This is gorgeous. Girl, you really know how to coordinate your stuff with the collections. Everything matches. I think that goes on this side, or did I just... No, it goes over here. She has it right there. Oh, look, you guys. These cute little, like, envelope embellishments. She made that one, this one, and this one. So cute. And look, her cute little bride bow. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it had Velcro. Oh, you guys, she sent me some of the charm. Oops, was I not supposed to rip that part there? Charms for the collection. Oh, these are so cute. I love it. Thank you for those. I hope I didn't mess this up. I'll fix that. Oh, look, there's more bride bows. So this is the page of the bows. Look how cute. So pretty. I love this polka dot paper. I think it's got to be one of my favorites from the collection. So pretty. And then the back, she's got like a little pocket right here. And in here, she just gifted me some little treat bags, some of the envelopes. Look how cute. These are adorable. I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh. Stephanie, I love this book you made. It is so cute. Like always, I am a happy girl with a swap from you. Look at this, you guys. Is that not beautiful chunkiness? All this gorgeousness she sent my way. But yeah, you guys, that is my video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Stephanie, for swapping with me. I hope when you get your package, you are just as ecstatic and happy as I am. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not, hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.